broadcast. And now moving on. Now, after scaling record highs and then plunging, the Indian markets are under renewed pressure today. The Nifty is trading with a decline of around 100 points, falling below the 26,100 mark. The Sensex index is down over 300 points, falling to 85,350. The biggest talking point, however, is the Indian Rupee, one of the worst performing currencies in the world, and in 2025, the rupee further fell, slumping to a new record low mark of 89.85 against the US dollar. The rupee will continue to remain a key monitorable, as experts believe that 90 against the US dollar will be a key psychological level for the currency. The handover from Wall Street is weak amidst the Bitcoin plunge. Shares such as Vodafone Idea, Bajaj Housing Finance, Bank of Maharashtra and Hero Moto, among others, will be in focus for today's session. I have Dr. Sharad Kohli, Senior Economist, joining me on the broadcast. Dr. Sharad Kohli, welcome, and I'd like you to explain this a little bit to our viewers.
Good morning, Vaishali, to you and NewsX viewers. I think the dynamics in the market change faster than anything. And on one fine day, you find that everything is looking hunky-dory. The GDP number the market was celebrating in the morning, 8.2 numbers in the market was quite up. And suddenly the rupee went down. Some FII selling came. And we should not forget that the IIP numbers today, the Index of Industrial Production, that has gone down from 4% to 0.4%. So which means, as was being anticipated, that the July-September quarter was good, 8.2% GDP. It was being anticipated that October-December quarter may turn out to be even better. But it has turned out to be the other way around because there were a lot of holidays in October. A lot of factories were closed. So now it is being expected that October-December quarter factually may not turn out to be as good as one would have envisaged or as people were expecting. And of course, rupee fall. I mean, RBI is also intervening time and again. The rupee is struggling to stay above 90. Although I think it won't take long if RBI does not intervene. Rupee will go below 90 as far as the dollar is concerned. So that's not very good news because it makes our imports more expensive. The fall in rupee primarily is because of regular pullout of money by FPIs and FIIs and pressure on the crude oil imports because we are importing 86 to 87% of our requirements of crude oil from overseas. So that is putting a pressure. Increased imports on other commodities also is putting the pressure. The trade deficit is higher at this point of time. So, you know, the economic parameters, dimensions keep changing. The market breadth changes, 2 to 3 times a day sometimes. Sometimes, of course, it remains consistent for a few days as well. But it won't take long. The undertone of the market is still not too bad. But as of now, yes, we are seeing profit booking. The market is just about struggling to close at the all-time high of 26,277. I'm talking of the Nifty. Every time it tries to touch that, it comes down. And that's what we are observing. But the undertone is not all that bad, Vaishali.
All right, Dr. Kohli, thank you for joining me on the broadcast. And now moving on, Delhi's